Morning greetings from the Mathematics Academy. Now in this question we have to find the value of k for which this equation has real and equal roots. As you see that this equation is not in its proper form, so we simplify it to get it into the proper form. On simplification we get x square as it is plus k multiplied with 2k, that is 2kx, k multiply k, that is k square, and k multiply 1 we get minus k, and plus 2 equals to 0. Now we see that this is in the proper form. So now first of all we need the value of a, and we know that the value of a is the coefficient of x square, and the coefficient of x square is 1, so the value of a becomes 1. Now the value of b, and the value of b is the coefficient of x, that is 2k, and now c, that is the constant term, and we see that the constant term is k square minus k plus 2. Also for the real and equal roots we know that the value of d is 0, as we know that the d is discriminant and this condition belongs to real and equal roots. In the previous videos we know that the formula to find the d is b square minus 4ac, and the d is equals to 0, so this condition becomes equals to 0. Now one by one we will place the value here. The value of b is 2k, so this will becomes 2k whole square minus 4a, and the value of a is 1, c, and the value of c is k square minus k plus 2 equals to 0. Now on simplification of the first bracket, that is 2k whole square, we get 4k square minus 4 into 1 is 4, and in the bracket k square minus k plus 2 equals to 0. On further simplification we get 4 into k square is 4k square minus minus plus 4k, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 8 equals to 0. Simply we see that the 4k square positive and 4k square negative cancel with each other, and we left with the result, that is 4k minus 8 equals to 0. Simply on shifting the 8 towards the right hand side we get 4k is equals to 8. On dividing the equation by 4 we get k is equals to 8 divided by 4, and the value of k is 2. So we have the value of k on which the equation has real and equal roots. Thank you friends.